3 electromagnetic discharge measurements with accessories were handed over to the National Water and Sewage Authority NAWASA on Tuesday, 17th January. The devices, which include 3 flow measurement instruments along with 3 tablets, were procured under the Climate Resilient Water Sector in Grenada G-Cruise project and will support NAWASA's river flow data collection. The total value of the device is $64,629.58. The items were procured under the G-Cruise project sub-activity, piloting improvement of data availability and data management for discharge measurements at rivers and streams. Making the presentation on behalf of G-Cruise, head of project Marian Geis, says the devices are a major boost not only for NAWASA, but also for the future Water Resource Management Unit, WRMU, under the G-Cruise project, which will require data from NAWASA to aid in its operation.
I'm very pleased that today we received the electromagnetic flow meters that we're handing over today to NAWASA to support the data management or data collection that is required for an accurate water resource management, which later on by the new Water Resource Management Unit will be used to set the basis for providing the water that we need also in the stress of climate change.
Receiving on behalf of NAWASA, General Manager Mr. Christopher Husbands expressed the organization's appreciation for the devices while highlighting the importance of effectively managing the island's water sources.
Clearly, the Water Resource Management Unit and the whole development of water resources in Grenada is an area of focus for us. If we don't manage the resources well, we won't have water to produce or distribute. So the entire system has to be integrated, and clearly this is one of the areas that is a focus of the G-Cruise, and we are pushing ahead to ensure that we can implement all aspects of the project as quickly as possible.
Training will be held with treatment plant operators on the effective use of the devices, downloading the data from the logger and updating their internal processes. Also benefiting from the electromagnetic discharge measurements will be the future Water Resource Management Unit. The unit will be established under the G-Cruise project to support the integration of climate resilience into Grenada's water sector governance. The WRMU will rely on hydrological and climate change data from relevant ministries and agencies. By strengthening the treatment plant operators of NAWASA in data collection and management, the WRMU will get a sound base for decision-making in regards to Grenada's water resources. Reporting for the G-Cruise project, I am Janelle Ruben.